Hi, my name is Uldis Arins. I'm from Anatomy for Sculptors. It's time for the new book, Arm and Hand in Motion. In creation of the artwork, it's very important not only the skills of the artist and talent, but also good source material. And the internet is full with the beautiful pictures, like in Google Images you can find beautiful images, and also in Pinterest. And there's a problem sometimes when you see amazing pose of the arm, but it's only from the one angle, and then you're like struggling to find the same pose from the other angles. Especially it is important when you sculpt the face or when you sculpt the upper limb. And with the face, we already have two books that solves the problem. And now it's time for creating the book for upper limb called Arm and Hand in Motion. And it's going to be all possible movements of the upper limb in different angles, so you can see from other angles, analyzing from the surface anatomy down to the deep anatomy. And that's where Anatomy for Sculptors are very famous. We're famous of making crystal clear images, pure ideas about the form and about anatomy. We are showing images from all various angles because we know what sculptors actually need. And there's another thing what is very helpful, is the blockouts and the color coding and anatomy, and it's all from all the possible angles. And the blockouts from simple to complex are in the two levels. So we're going to create the book on the upper limb, which will be broken down in two complexity levels. First blockouts, very simple, and the second more complex. It's kind of will lead you to with the understanding of the form from the simple level to the more complex level, because we are going to base our book on the scans, which is like most documental and most realistic skin. But sometimes reality is very complicated. Organic forms are usually very complex, and then the blockouts are very helpful. So besides that, we're also going to cover the differences between male and female. Of course, anatomy is the same, but the volumes and the form are different. Nē, nu, protams, tādas autrauju netaisa. Tādas autrauju netaisa. Viņa taisa nopietnas.